Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla fog light bulb. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and the correct replacement bulb for your Corolla. Having a trim removal tool can also be helpful for those tricky plastic clips. Always prioritize safety by working on a cool vehicle and wearing appropriate protection. This simple DIY can save you time and money. Now, let's get to the bulb. Start by turning your steering wheel fully to the side of the fog light you're replacing. This gives you better access. Look underneath the front bumper and locate the fender liner. You'll need to remove any 10mm bolts and plastic clips holding it in place. Once these are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly behind it. Be careful not to damage the plastic. With the fog light assembly exposed, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Press the release tab on the connector and slide it off. Next, grasp the base of the old bulb, rotate it 1/4 turn counterclockwise and carefully pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, insert it into the housing, and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to secure it. Finally, reattach the electrical connector until it clicks into place. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. You're almost done. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position, ensuring it's properly aligned. Reinstall all the 10mm bolts and plastic clips you removed earlier, making sure everything is secure. Before you finish up, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it's working correctly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your bulb. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.